Welcome to today's tutorial on how to hide your college information in your Facebook profile from everyone on PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook by typing facebook.com into your web browser and hitting enter. Log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open your profile page. Step 3. Click on the About section, which can be found below your profile photo. This will take you to the page where you can edit your profile details. Step 4. Inside the Work and Education tab, find the icon next to the 3 dots icon next to your desired college. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select Only Me. This ensures that only you can see your college information on your profile. Step 6. Once you've selected Only Me, click Done to save the changes. And just like that, you've successfully hidden your college information in your Facebook profile from everyone on PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial.